Ride Culture Tutorial. CargoRack. Installation. In the box you will found CargoRack and Modular Rack, supporting leg and screw set. Tools you need: 10mm hex key, 5mm and 6mm Allen key. First of all, cut the cable tire of rear light cable. This will make you more easier to install the rack. Install 4 of M6 50mm screw to the hole. To install the cargo rack, you need to tilt the rack down around 45 degrees. Then engage the screw to the rack. Install 6mm nut to the screw. Use hex key and Allen key to tighten all the screw. To install the supporter leg, install M6 washer to 6mm screw, then install the leg in proper place. Use hex key and Allen key to tighten all the screw. Last step: install M5 washer and spring washer to the 5mm screw. Then use the Allen keys to tighten it. Now you are ready to go for almost every heavy-duty use in your daily life, and feel the sense of cargo bike with your ride cart. For more information, please visit our website, rideculturebike.com.